So before I was a real journalist, and I could also be a real activist, I went to some anti-Iraq war meetings, and everyone thought I was a cop. And this was a room full of white Christian people.
Have you looked in the mirror recently?
Right, exactly. I didn't blame them. But obviously it has occurred to me that if I were to walk into a mosque, I would really look like a cop. So I wonder, given the level of distrust in communities about informants, about reporters who are going to sort of twist their words, do you feel like having some ethnic or religious tie to folks helps you to cover this, helps you to get into these communities and find what people are talking about, even helps to talk to people who are accused of or guilty of terrorism?
I think certainly with people who are, guilty or have been accused of terrorism, it does help because maybe they think that this person will understand the terms I'm arguing a bit more. And I think I found it helps people open up a bit more, so more so than maybe they would someone who's objectively foreign to them. With the context of informants, I think people suspect, Muslim-looking people or sounding people of being informants now too. It's not even the white guy, might be even more like, they wouldn't be so obvious. They might have someone else.
Right.
Yeah, it's sort of that thing where it's like, this guy would never,
right, exactly.
like this guy would never try and come and be an informant here looking like that, But I think it does help to an extent, like the initial, that if you just show up and can look like you belong, it helps a lot. And then, in my case, like, it's a little bit strange because I come from this Muslim background, but I'm not a believer myself. So, like, my name and the fact that my family has an Iranian background can help. But if we really get to talking, like, I wouldn't really BS people. I mean, I guess if I was reporting in Iraq and, like, ISIS came and grabbed me and was like, "Are you a Muslim?" I'd be like, "Yes, I'm a Muslim. I believe. Allahu Akbar." Yeah, the Shia is the bad one there.